Hello everyone, my name is Benjamin Mell, Regional Sales Manager for Gallagher Fluid Seals. In this webinar, we will be discussing surface finish consideration with manufacturing processes. The three we will focus on are turning, grinding, and polishing. We will also discuss the expected surface finish ranges for each of these processes. And finally, we will discuss a few factors that cause surface irregularities. These include tool wobble, the quality of the cutting tool, and the nature of the machined material. Each of the manufacturing processes used to achieve a desired surface finish produce a characteristic direction on the surface. This is known as lay. From our previous webinar, a few of these include horizontal, circular, and radial. This factor alone has an impact on wear patterns, performance, and longevity for sealing applications. The first manufacturing process we will discuss is turning, which is completed with the use of a lathe where the workpiece rotates while the cutting tool moves axially to remove material. Next is grinding, which is an abrasive machining process that uses a grinding wheel as the cutting tool. And the final process that we will discuss is polishing, which is a finishing method to smooth the surface of a workpiece. Next, we will discuss the expected RA surface finish ranges for the manufacturing techniques. Turning has a range of 16 to 250 microinch. Grinding has a range of 4 to 63 microinch. And polishing has a range of 4 to 16 microinch RA. Next, we will discuss just a few of the many factors that cause surface irregularities. These include tool wobble or chatter caused by motor vibration, the quality of the cutting tool, and lastly, the nature of the machined material. The first factor that we will discuss is tool wobble or chatter. Vibration or oscillation is back and forth movement of components in motorized equipment. This oscillation presents a problem for surface finish due to the high frequency of irregularities produced when the vibration is excessive. The next factor that we will discuss is the quality of the cutting tool. A sharp cutting tool is imperative for producing an ideal surface finish. A dull cutting tool will produce more frequent irregularities and less desirable surface finishes. The final factor that we will discuss is the nature of the machined material, which has a direct impact on surface irregularities. The use of high-quality machinable materials allows for quick throughput to arrive at the desired surface conditions. In this webinar, we discussed three specific manufacturing processes: turning, grinding, and polishing. Each of these three manufacturing processes has an expected RA surface finish range. And finally, we discussed three factors that contribute to surface irregularities. Please join us for our upcoming webinar where we will discuss how and why we measure surface finish. Please stay safe and take care. See you then.